Hi, this is Fred from McAlpine. Here this morning just to show you a few things or suggest a few things you should have in your van for general purpose maintenance and plumbing work. These are a few of the products which were brought out recently and must have in the van, or we would suggest you do. We were asked a few months ago to produce an item which would not rust on a close couple set and a through bolt set for a WC pan to cistern joint. So we've addressed this in 304 grade stainless steel, which doesn't rust. And anybody who is a plumber out there, a real plumber, will know how it's a real problem to try and actually cut out the galvanized steel brackets and bolts. So McAlpine has came up with this, as I said. It's a C304 grade stainless steel. It doesn't rust. It's got easy, super easy corrections in the bottom and can be run up, whether it be on a siphon or a flushing valve. Both. It does both. Also in the through bolts. So these are two of the items which were suggested by the plumbers to actually keep in your van.